Oh, scarf. Okay. I'm trying to learn the terminology here.
Well, since it's on me, it's a sexy.
A sexy scarf. I see, yeah.
Oh, you get that shimmy happening.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna make like a little circle and travel. So you're gonna keep that shimmy going and walk around in a little circle.
Work it, Barry.
Now we're gonna take our hands above our head. We're gonna step forward and step back and do a little twist with your hips.
I can't even both.
A little circle.
Wow. I can't walk and twist.
They look like ducks having a seizure.
All right.
Now we get to pose. You're gonna do poses. Ready? Ready? Pose.
I didn't have this much fun on my honeymoon. What was that?
Faster, Barry, faster.
My shimmy is weighing down.
That's good.
Whoa!
Woo!
Look at Barry!
One last burst here.
That was fancy.
Feels good, doesn't it? This is all there is to it? This is shimmying. This is a shimmy.
Oh, well,
Egyptian shimmy, right?
we can do this. You're good at this, Eric.
Teach him to spin.
Oh, okay, yes.
So you walk?
Look at your hand and turn. And then we take our hands up and back and up, twist, up and back and up, little circle.
Oh, little circle.
Yeah.
I can do little circles all day.
And up, twist, up and back, little circle. And then you hop around and you're going to go to the right, to the left, right,
Mine
left.
is not
Hold on
as
the right.
jingly.
You're just not throwing your hips
I
into
know.
Right, hold on the left. And then you do this little snake arms. Snake arms.